What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here. Today we have the PS5 and this has been hard to get for everyone for about a year now. Somehow I found this in stock. We've got it at home today and yeah, this is the unboxing video. Let's get straight into it. So let's get straight into it. I've got my kitchen knife because I don't have an unboxing knife. Let's get straight into it. Obviously I do have the disc version. I don't really like the digital version, but like, yeah, I guess you just slide it out. This is here, but okay. And then more packaging. I guess there's more sliding out to do. Okay, wait. Let's open from the top. Okay, so at the top, DualSense controller. Just take that out. DualSense, DualShock. Pretty sure it's DualSense. There's the controller. Okay, so we're just gonna place that behind me. Moving on to what else is in the box. We've got usual manuals which no one reads, and I won't be reading them also. Then we have got the plate that you are going to be, which your PlayStation is going to be basically sitting on. I mean, you can do it without the plate, but it's risky. It'll probably fall over, so we've got that. HDMI 2.1 cable for 4K 120 or even 8K. Got that to the side. We've got a power cable, and I'm guessing the PS5 will probably be under here. Wait, we also have a USB-A to USB-C cable. Pretty important for the controller. Now, underneath all of that is the PS5. So, put that out like that. Take that out carefully because I swear if this falls over, I'm finished. Alright, is there anything else in the box? Nothing else in the box. Let's just move on to the main attraction. This is actually huge. I did not expect it to be this big. Oh my god, it is big. Okay. Pretty sure this is the right way up. Yeah, this is the right way up. PS5. Alright, first impressions. That is big, like even next to me, that basically comes up to my elbows. So that's huge. Yeah, I'm lost of words. That's actually pretty cool. Let's quickly check out the DualSense controller. Feels solid, honestly. Feels, maybe could say better than the Xbox One S controllers, because I do have an Xbox One S. That's what I've been using. And yeah, I mean, that's the unboxing experience. That's the PS5. Finally found one in stock. And yeah, I'm gonna get this plugged in. I'm gonna start playing. Expect a review in like 1 to 2 weeks. Thank you guys for watching. Saif Ashraf. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And yeah, time to get playing. Peace.